How's it going? We're here for day 47 of Fergal's Tune of the Day. My sister Maeve here. We're going to play the Trip to Nina, and this one especially for Oisín, who's right behind the camera, who put Mammy's concertina in the car.
In case Fergal wanted to ask me to play.
Trip to Nina. 3.
Well practiced.
See you tomorrow for day 48.